If you want to clear cache in Safari on iPhone 16e, so first of all, you have to open up your settings. Now we have to scroll down to our apps section, and we gotta find our Safari right here. There it is. Open your Safari. Now we gotta find our advanced. Opened it up. In our advanced, we gotta find our website data. So here's our website data. Now let's tap on edit and simply tap on this red icon to delete your website data. Or when you're done, you can press remove all website data right now. And that's how you do this. The second method is just about your history. It won't really clear your cache, but maybe you need to clear your history as well. So open up your Safari, tap on this book icon and press clear. Now choose all history, today, last hour, today, yesterday, and whether you want to close your tabs or now. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.